welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to configure FortiGate HA firewall. Okay, this is my setup, and here you can see my FortiGate 2 firewall, active one and passive firewall. I'm going to show you today active passive environment. Here the system, and you can check active firewall and system. Here see still standalone. Okay, now I will show both firewall. This is active firewall, and I go to the config system HA. Okay, then set mode, and I choose active passive. Okay, you can remember they have two options: active passive, active also. Now I'm going to active passive. After that I'm choosing set heartbeat interface. I put according to my setup. Let's we check what is the port. I hope yes, it's port 2, and I will put here, yeah, it's okay. I will put here port 2. Okay, so priority 0. Okay, after that set group ID. This one is should need to same group ID, HA and passive and active and passive. I put test. Also set password. This password also should be match both active passive. Okay, here next. No, it's not next, it should be end. Okay, then we can check what's happened. Okay, here see the HA is configured in the passive active firewall. Then okay, everything is okay here. Then I will move to the passive firewall. Okay, where is my passive firewall? Before that I will check what is the status of my HA. Get system HA status. Okay, enter. Okay, here still only one member in the HA. It means passive firewall is still not in the added in the cluster. Only one member in. Okay, then we will move to my passive firewall. Okay, I can initiate new session. Can remove it. Okay, I log in my passive firewall. Okay, then I put password. Okay, this is my passive firewall. I configured the same setting here also. Config system HA, set mode active passive, enter. Set heartbeat interface. Port according to my setup it should be port 2. Okay, yes, port 2. Okay, put port 2 and priority 0. Okay, set password. The same password we put active firewall, and save group name. Okay, set group name test. Okay, here then we can check. Go to the active firewall, config system HA, and check. Okay, before that I forget that set the priority. I put set priority 150. Okay, here no need to put priority because already priority is 128. It's a default priority. I only put increase the active firewall priority as a 150. Okay, okay, then we can check what's happened on my HA. We go to the active firewall and get system HA status. This command we can check what is the issue and what is the status of my HA cluster. Okay, now you can see the master and slave, it is added the cluster, but still I hope it's not syncing. Let me check. Okay, I put OK here. Put OK here. No, sorry about that. Okay, no, it's okay. Okay, you see that my slave firewall, secondary firewall is not syncing. I hope it will take some time to sync between this active and passive firewall. Still not syncing. You can see, you can go to the upper and you can see the out of sync. Second unit is out of sync. Then we have to wait another 2-3 minutes. It will take some time. Okay, get some status here, still syncing, still not syncing. Don't be hurry, it's a normal, it's not abnormal behavior. It will take some time according to the setup and lab environment. It will take more time than real environment. Okay, config system HA. We can show what is the command we put and we can compare both unit active and passive. I think I cannot access the passive firewall. Let's try. Okay, because this already added the cluster member. Okay, I think anyhow we try again. Okay, still not sync. Okay, it is still out of sync. Okay, we can check again, we can refresh, but it's still out of sync. See, red mark is mean out of sync. You can open the new session and we will try to access. I think it's not successful because when we added the secondary firewalls, mean passive firewall in the cluster, we lose our connection to passive firewall. But they have some way to connect this passive firewall. You can see now it's syncing. Okay, it's my synchronize is completed. Okay, then we can run that command again, config system get system HA status. System HA status. Okay, okay, clear my setup. Okay, I'll log client PC here and try to DHCP, get DHCP and Dora. Okay, I get IP address and I try to ping the Google here. Okay, and pin. Okay, you can see the successfully we can able to pin Google. Okay, then we can test our HA environment. Before that I have to put a monitoring interface as well. Okay, again try to pin count and put 100 packet here. Okay, 100. Then you can see the 100 time it's going to pin, repeat continuously. Okay, and then we go to the create a monitoring interface. I will explain another video in advance what is the meaning of these monitoring interface and what is the base practices as well. Okay, here I go and I put monitoring interface as my WAN and LAN interface. Okay, according to my setup, port 1 and port 3, I put port 1 and port 3 here. Okay, and then put OK. Okay, then it successfully sync with the slave unit as well. Okay, now I synced. Okay, then again I put continuous pin 100. Okay, then I go to my setup and I will put here, put my topology and topology, event topology, and I switch off my master unit. I put stop here. Okay, stop. Okay, you see the only two timeout, then successfully again continuously pin. Here this setup we can change this drop time as well. Also real environment it will different as well, but my lab is now successful. You see the active firewall is now went down and passive firewall is working successfully. Okay, thank you guys for watching my